What's up? So today we're going to be working on a super simple structure, just a hardwood 2 by 3 meter veranda, lean-to, skillion roof, not connected to the house, just next to it. Super simple, super fun. Hope you enjoy the episode. Let's go.
Behind my back, you can't show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. And now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down.
So what I'm doing here is the set out. So essentially I'm just making sure that everything that I build is parallel to the existing structure and that my corners are perfectly 90 degrees and everything's square and hunky-dory. It's really important that I get this step right and take the time to make sure that everything is accurate, because this step affects every next step that comes to follow. If something's wrong at this step, then I'll be paying for it later. So it really pays to take your time and get everything hunky-dory.
You know what's coming, so be warned.
So what I'm doing here is what I call dress to impress. Now clearly I'm not dressed to impress. It's hot, sun's out, I'm sweaty, sawdust everywhere, I don't look great. But what I'm doing here is I'm making sure the timber looks and feels as best as it possibly could, so that the finished product is nice and is appealing to the clients.
You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Though my feet have come too far for you to tie up to the ground. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going now. And turn it back around. Can't stop me. Oh yeah, can't stop me now. No, 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 no.
What I'm doing here is I'm cutting out rafters. Now, as you can see, I'm using one rafter called the pattern rafter to mark out all the notches and birds' mouths of the others. Now, it's really important that I use this pattern rafter to mark out all the others. Now, let's pretend that I don't do that and I cut one rafter and it's accidentally a mil or two off, and then I use that one to mark the next one, and then I cut that a mil or two out. By the time I do 7 rafters, I could be 15 mil out. This is called a cumulative error.
It's a very special moment for me to try out my new toys. Chicago Air 50 litre silent compressor, and what we got, the Senko Frame Pro, nice solid steel. The other air guns in the shop, even the good brands, were made of plastic, had heaps of plastic. This is solid steel, so I'm happy with that. And yeah, finally get to give these guys a try. I've always used Pasload gas guns. They're great for framing into pine, but not super good on this hardwood stuff, so super stoked to have these in the kit now. Let's give these guys a little crack, a little demo. So this guy's supposed to be silent. Let's see how quiet she is. Sound of silence. I'd love to know what you guys use, what air guns you run, what air tools you run, compressors. So let me know in the comments below. All right, let's keep going. All these rafters are cut to the same length, but you can see that they're not all lining up with the bird's mouth. Like 15 mil out there, that one's tight. So that gives you an indicator of how far this beam is bending, bowing the wrong way. So what I'm going to have to do is put a piece of timber between that beam and this beam around the center of the two, and measure in between the two, and then add this distance. Got to add that distance to a measurement, stick it between them, push it out, bing bang boom, Bob's your uncle, and off we go. She is, got that thing holding that tight, which also makes this joint nice and tight. Let's close all of them up. Is what we want. You happy with where that's lining up at the end? Excellent. Just under.
What I'm doing here is weathering the roof sheets. I'm just turning up the valleys of each sheet. So essentially, if you can imagine water running up the roof, I'm just creating a bit more of a wall to stop that water from coming in.